Hi children, welcome to our English class. For 5th class children, today we are going to learn about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In the previous class also we discussed some anecdotes of Abdul Kalam. No? Did you remember? Yes. He born in Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu on 15th October 1931. Who is his father? Who was his father? His father name is Jainaluddin. His mother Ashiyamma. Who influenced Abdul Kalam in his childhood? Yes, his cousin Samshuddin. Slowly he became a well-read person and he worked as the assistant to Samshuddin also. These are some anecdotes. Let's read some more about Abdul Kalam. One day at school, Kalam barged into the classroom without realizing that it was not his classroom. The teacher who was teaching in that class beat Abdul Kalam with a stick, but Kalam did not complain. He was their mathematics teacher, Ramakrishna Iyer. That year, when Abdul Kalam secured highest marks in mathematics, the same teacher beamed and said, I bet what happened one day? One day Abdul Kalam entered forcefully into the classroom, but it was not his classroom. Is that his classroom? No. It was not his classroom. The teacher in that classroom was beat Kalam with stick. Why? Because he made a mistake. But Abdul Kalam did not complain. The teacher who beat Kalam was maths teacher. His name was Ramakrishna Iyer. That year Abdul scored highest marks in mathematics. Which subject? In which subject Abdul Kalam scored highest marks? In mathematics. Who was the maths teacher? Yes, Ramakrishna Iyer. The maths teacher said, what the maths teacher said? I bet this boy, so he will become a great man. Wait and watch, said the maths teacher with a smile. Who told these words? He is Mr. Ramakrishna Iyer, his maths teacher. Another teacher, Pandit Shivasubramaniam Iyer, taught science to Kalam. Pandit Shivasubramaniam Iyer was a science teacher who taught Abdul Kalam. He was fond of the boy. Fond of means he liked very much Abdul Kalam. One day he invited him for dinner at his house. However, as his wife was a loyal Brahmin, she did not serve him the meal inside their kitchen. Kalam did not mind. He sat with his teacher and ate the meal outside their kitchen. Who was his science teacher? Pandit Shivasubramaniam Iyer. He was the science teacher. He liked very much Abdul Kalam, so he invited Abdul Kalam to his house for the dinner. His wife was a loyal Brahmin. The science teacher's wife was a loyal Brahmin. So, she didn't allow Abdul Kalam to come inside the kitchen. In those days, Brahmins were not allowed any other persons into their kitchens, into their houses also. So, she didn't allow Kalam to enter inside their kitchen. But Abdul Kalam didn't feel about it. He ate the meal outside of their kitchen only with his teacher. A week later, Kalam was invited for dinner by his science teacher once more. After 1 week, once again his science teacher invited Abdul Kalam for the dinner. Kalam went willingly. Willingly means readily, enthusiastically. Kalam went. Abdul come into the kitchen and eat dinner with us here, said the teacher's wife. Kalam was happy to see that change had come over the orthodox lady. Orthodox means traditional or a religious lady. What happened? After 1 week, once again his science teacher invited him. Abdul also went enthusiastically. Children, if one of your teacher invites you to their house, how you feel? Very happy? Very happy, no? Yes, like that Abdul Kalam also went to his science teacher's house very happily. But last time when he went for dinner, what happened? The teacher's wife didn't allow him inside the kitchen now. But surprisingly, what happened now? She called him inside. How? Abdul, come into the kitchen and eat the dinner with us, said the teacher's wife. Abdul very surprised about this change in her. She also served food to Abdul herself. After this, she served the meal to him herself. No, the seeds of secularism were embedded in his mind with this episode. After this, Abdul fixed the seeds of secularism in his mind. Secularism means to see all the people equally, don't show any changes as per the religious. That is secularism. As Kalam grew into a young man, the mysteries of the sky continued to fascinate him. Abdul, where were you? His mother would ask him often in the evening. Ammi, I was looking at the beautiful seagulls at the beach. As he grew into a young man, Kalam extremely interested in the mysteries of the sky. What we see in the sky, children? Sun, moon, stars, etc. No? Yes. Sometimes when his mother would ask, Abdul, where were you? What Abdul replied? Ammi, I was looking at the beautiful seagulls. Seagulls means type of birds. At that time, Abdul was thinking like this. What he was thinking? How skillful they fly. How talentedly they are flying in the sky. Abdul thinking like that. And I wish I too could fly. Abdul also wanted to fly like the birds. Kalam spent many hours staring at the sky. Kalam spent many hours by looking at the sky, wondering at the mysteries of flight. No wonder he grew up to become a great scientist. Children, I think you also know that Abdul Kalam was a great scientist. Yes? Kalam was elected as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. Not only the great scientist, he was elected as the 11th President to our country, to the India. At what time? From 2002 to 2007. As the President of India, his values and personality enamored the people all over the world. Enamored means liking something a lot. Liking something a lot. He was a very good person and he gave more values to the people by his speeches and many valuable quotations also. So, he was the well-known person to all the world, not only in India but also throughout the world. He well-known person. He was the well-known person. All the world like him very much. Dr. Kalam has been conferred with the degree of Doctor of Science by 30 universities or academic institutions. He got the degree of Doctor of Science by 30 universities or institutions. He is a recipient of several awards including the Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and Bharata Ratna also. These are the very highly honored awards and only given to the great people. Those who given their service to the country. National integration means togetherness between people. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is truly a great man. Really, he was a great man. But this great man left this world on 27th July 2015 after collapsing during a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management in Shillong. A great salute to this great man. Dr. Kalam was really a great man now, but sadly we lost him on 27th July 2015. At the time of his death also, he was giving a lecture to the students. We have to learn so many values from him. His life gave us inspiration. For all of us, his life gave inspiration. Children, you also salute to this genius person. Okay? Read the following sentences and answer these questions. Children, some sentences are here. Read those sentences and try to answer the questions. The first sentence. I bet this boy with a stick. Wait and watch. He will be a great man. This is the sentence in the question. Who said these words? Who said these words? These words were said by his mathematics teacher Ramakrishna Iyer. Who said these words? His mathematics teacher Ramakrishna Iyer. Next question. What was Kalam's score in mathematics? Kalam scored the highest marks in mathematics. Third one. Why did the mathematics teacher beat Abdul Kalam? The mathematics teacher bet him for barging into his class by mistake. The mathematics teacher bet him for barging into his class by mistake. These are the questions related to this sentence. One more sentence is here. See. Abdul, come into the kitchen and eat dinner with us here. This is the sentence. Let's see the questions. Who said these words to whom? Who said and to whom? His science teacher's wife said these words to Kalam. Science teacher wife said to Kalam. Was there any change in the speaker's behavior? Any change was there in the speaker's behavior? Yes or no? Yes, there was a change in the speaker's behavior. How can you say so? How can you say there is a change in her behavior? See here. She had not allowed Kalam to have his dinner in the kitchen the first time he went for the dinner. The first time he went for the dinner, she didn't allow him, no? Yes. Once again the answer. She had not allowed Kalam to have his dinner in the kitchen the first time he went for dinner. How did the listener respond to this? Answer. The listener responded willingly. The listener responded willingly. Here some questions are there. Children tried. What is the full name of Abdul Kalam? Avul Pakir Jainaluddin Abdul Kalam. What is the full name of Abdul Kalam? Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. When and where was Abdul Kalam born? Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. What was the feast that APJ Abdul Kalam learned to love to eat? The feast that APJ Abdul Kalam learned to love to eat rice, sambar, homemade pickle and coconut chutney. The feast that APJ Abdul Kalam learned to love to eat rice, sambar, homemade pickle and coconut chutney. Why did Abdul Kalam choose to become a scientist? Kalam chose to become a scientist because from a very young age he was fascinated by the mysteries of the sky. Kalam chose to become a scientist because from a very young age he was fascinated by the mysteries of the sky. Fifth one, when did he become the President of India? When did Abdul Kalam become the President of India? He became the 11th President of India in 2002. These are the question and answers. Children, you also try to learn question and answers and write in your notebook. Think and answer. How do we know that Kalam's parents were broad-minded? How do we know? Let's see. We know that Kalam's parents were broad-minded because though he was a practicing Muslim, his friends were all Hindus. His friends were all Hindus. They also had a temple's priest visiting their house often. Who was the priest? Did you remember? Shastri uncle, no? Yes. Second one. Why is Kalam so famous among the people? Why? See here. Kalam is so famous among the people because of his values and personality. Because of his values and personality, Kalam is so famous among the people. Children, see here. Match the words with their meanings. Similar meanings here. Children, you also try to say along with me. Pious, holy, pious, holy, quest, search, feast, a special meal, feast, a special meal, embedded, fixed, embedded, fixed, inspiration, motivation, inspiration, motivation. These are the meanings. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given in the brackets. Children, have you listened to the lesson carefully? Okay, try to answer these blanks. Abdul Kalam belonged to Kerala or Tamil Nadu? Yes, Tamil Nadu. Abdul Kalam belonged to Tamil Nadu. World War II broken out in 1914 or 1939? Yes, 1939. World War II broke out into 1939. Pandit Shivasubramaniam Iyer was Kalam's dash teacher. Mathematics teacher or science teacher? Yes, science teacher. Who was his mathematics teacher? His mathematics teacher was Ramakrishna Iyer. But here Pandit Shivasubramaniam Iyer was Kalam's science teacher. Abdul Kalam passed away on 27th March 2014 or 27th July 2015? Yes, 27 July 2015. Okay children, grammar also enter your note in your notebooks and try to learn. Thank you.